The City of Largo doing a great job to not only invest in the community to protect the environment, but also working with younger leadership, and they are painting the storm drains to help bring awareness to keeping those storm drains clean. So the City of Largo, through our PR agency, Double Take, contacted us to donate the paints that are going to be used. So we created specific paints that will be best not only in the visual but also in the performance of the paint. So Anvil has been in the Largo community for over 50 years. We're all here together to improve our environment, and we are just very honored to be a part of the program. My name is Kurt Schwahn. I'm the president of Anvil Paints and Coatings.